Skincare and beauty routine habits to delete this year and how to fix them. Skincare can require dedication and diligence, but sometimes, guys, you will slip up and not properly take care of your skin. And some other days, you might make mistakes in your skincare routine and don't even realize it. You are welcome to Nzelen Betty TV. No more accidental or intentional bad skin habits for you as long as you stay part in this channel. Subscribe if you are new here for more on our healthy videos. So let's look at 3 common skincare beauty routine mistakes and how to overcome them, okay, my beautiful people. Mistake number 1 to get off from is you are exfoliating too much or too little. What do we mean here, friend? You know that exfoliating takes off dead cells on the surface of your skin, right? And helps your skincare beauty product works more effectively. So try to exfoliate at least once a week, either with skincare product that includes gentle fruit acids or natural exfoliants, okay, my beautiful people. However, avoid over exfoliation, okay, as this can make your skin irritated, more exposed to blemishes as well. Mistake number 2 that we make is maybe you have not made antioxidants a part of your life. For antioxidants are excellent not only for your body but also your skin. Always aim to get your daily antioxidant from food as well as your skincare product. Eat plenty of leafy greens, citrus fruits and berries, which are full of antioxidants that help empower your body and leave you with glowing skin. Skincare product can contain antioxidant as well, so note here that antioxidant can help your skin look flawless, okay, my beautiful people. Mistake number 3, sometimes you end up sleeping with makeup on. Oh my god, we all have a busy lifestyle, and sometimes when you are really exhausted, going to the bathroom to clean up, remove your makeup and moisturize just seems like too much for you to do after being exhausted. If you slip off that easily, try to look for a solution on how to quickly remove makeup from your face, okay, my beautiful people. Never sleep with makeup on, no matter the circumstances, for sleeping up with makeup can lead to clogged pores, as you will have oil, cosmetic and dead cells on your skin. It can also cause blemishes, so not cleaning up your face before sleeping is a common mistake that can deprive you from the glowing skin that you desire and deserve, okay. So what is mistake number 4? You don't exercise regularly, in the sense that when you get a walk or exercise, which helps open up your pores to expel dirt and oil as you sweat out during workout, just make sure to clean your skin after your sweat session, okay, because your dead skin cells can be a breeding ground for blemishes. Hope this is helpful, my beautiful friend, and thank you too for watching. Make sure to share the video out with your loved ones, okay, so that they too can also learn on how to take care of their skin and avoid some common mistakes that we do make in this 2023 when taking care of our body. Also, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, remain healthy and joyous. Much love to everyone.